Okay, let's let you know there's one key difference in between. Well, there's several, but one of the major ones is differences in between apprentice and a journeyman is that both of them are going to mess things up in one form, fashion, or another. Some less than others, but a journeyman knows how to fix his mistakes. Apprentice doesn't. So in that, let me show you how to fix my mistake. Oh, would you look at that? That's just going to be a perfect opportunity to show you what to do when you got a bubble in your tape. You know what happened there? I did not put enough mud behind there. So, this is how we're going to go about this. We are going to cut this tape out. I'm going to use my 5-inch knife. We're going to dig the tape out of there the best you can. Flap it back. Peel it back. There you go. Uh-oh, that one didn't want to cooperate. So, now we're going to put enough mud behind it, like so. Then we'll put the tape right back where it was, like that. We don't worry about that because that's what that masking tape is for. Wipe it off. Oh, doing the best we can. Then we'll try to just get a little float on it. We'll have to come back and refloat all this anyway again. And that's what we're going to do for now.